What is OOP? OOPS stand for Object Oriented Programming. Procedural programming is about writing procedures or functions that perform operations on the data, while object-oriented programming is about creating objects that contain data and function. They contain both data and function. Object-oriented programming have several advantages over procedural programming. OOP is faster and easier to execute. OOP provide a clear structure for program. OOP helps to keep the C++ code dry, don't repeat yourself, and make the code easier to maintain. Modify the debug. OOP make it possible to create full visual applications with less code and shorter development time. This diagram shows the concept of OOP. This shows that class, object, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction. These are the classes of OOPs. What are classes and object? Classes and object are the two main aspects of object-oriented programming. Look at the following illustration to see the difference between class and object. You see both. Class means fruit. It's divided into subsections. Object means apple, banana, and mango. What are the examples of object-oriented language? Significant object-oriented language include Java, C++, C#, Python, R, PHP, Visual Basic, Net, JavaScript, Ruby, Perl, SimScript, Object Pascal, Objective-C, Dart, Swift, Scala, Kotlin, Common Lisp, MATLAB, and Smalltalk. These are the examples of object-oriented programming language. If we look the button diagram, there is X size, Y size, label text, interested listeners, exposition, Y position, draw, press, register callback, unregister callback. These are the functions used in object-oriented programming. And these are the program, starting from curly bracket, private vector items, public stack item is equal to new vector. These are the program to show on the screen. Example of C#. We look on the screen, there is a diagram. There is C# diagram. In this diagram, there are three main things. Interfaces. In interfaces, there is customer block, there is EMP block, and there is student block. How the Hello World program in C# works. This is the example of C#. Step number 1. Open Notepad from Start menu by selecting Program Accessories Notepad. Step number 2. Create a source code for your Hello World program in C#. Declare a class with the name A. Declare the main method public static void main string R. Now type the system out print and hello world, which will print hello world in C#. Step number 3. Save the file for Java hello world program as first program. Make sure to select file type as all file while saving the file in your work folder. See workspace. Step number 4. Open the command prompt. Go to directory. See workspace. Compile the code of your hello world program using command. Step number 5. If you look in your working folder, you can see that a file named A class has been created. We look on the black screen, go to the directory and compile program. Step number 6. To execute the code, enter the command followed by the class name as expected output hello world is displayed now. Java E. If we look on the screen, there is a answer Java E or hello world is also typed. Note, Java is case sensitive programming languages. All code, command and file name should is used in consistent casing. First program is not same as first program. This is the answer of the program. Means when we compile the program, the answer is displayed on the screen. Hello world program is typed. We look on the screen. Class hello static void main is used function. String is also a function used in this platform. Now example of C++. There are many features in C++. Syntax based, case sensitive, platform dependent, object oriented. We are discuss about object oriented. In object oriented, C++ is the example of object oriented. But object oriented is also have many features. Uses of pointer, huge function library, compiler based, modularity, fast and efficient, power, probability. There are many also must features in C++, but some are given on the screen. This is C++ program. Write a program to print number from 1 to 20. It means this is even number. In this program, there is a function stdu and there is also a function connew. Both functions are used in this program, and also void main is also a function. Firstly, int ab clear screen, print f even a number of table from 1 to 10. It means enter a number of table from 1 to 10 is in bracket. Is also scanf is also used and is also a variable. From 1 C20 b++, printf %d ab, getch is also a function, curly bracket closed. This is a program of C++. This is the result of previous program, means output. In this output, there is a number from 1 to 20, 1 to 60. 3 plus 1 is equal to 3, and this is also 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and up to 60. This is the result of C++ program. Example of Java. Java is the language used in the world. This is a programming language and it is also used in program. Some example of Java are as under. There is a diagram of Java. There is many features of Java. In this diagram there are 12 features. Object oriented. First is object oriented. In object oriented, Java is an example of object oriented, but it's also a feature of Java. Second is simple. Third, secured. Fourth, platform independent. 5, robust. 6, portable. 7, architecture neutral. 8, dynamic. 9, interpreted. 10, high performance. 11, multiplated. 12, database. These are the features of Java. There are many also features of Java, but 12 are given on the diagram. This is the example of Java. This is a program. In the program, package com.beginners book. This is the book name. Import Java scanner, public class Java example, public static void main is also a function, string is also a function, float is used in the program. This is a function. Scanner, scan, new scanner system out, print, enter the principal. We are given the program to enter the principal. He gives or instruction P is equal to scan next close system out then enter the rate of input. This is the Java program. Thank you for watching the end.